When students begin their studies here at the university, they have a notion of what a STEM job looks like. STEM as an industry is so diverse in itself that we want to meet that diversity with diversity as a minority serving institution. So it's really important to have women and people of color enter these disciplines. Internships are a high impact practice when it comes to student success because it allows them to gain real world experiences. As part of the internship program and in these internship experiences, they get the opportunity to expand their vision of what a STEM career looks like and really creatively craft their careers. In partnership with the Career Development Center, as well as the Educational Opportunity Program, and many of our student services that serve our underrepresented minority students, we are working with them to place them with our industry partners. Part of the internship program, along with the Career Development Center, we host workshops for students that are targeted towards their discipline so that they are fully aware of what is available to them as far as jobs go, as well as what are the interdisciplinary options as far as their fields. So for example, someone from math can go into geology because they can do research in mathematical modeling for that particular project. So we host events here on campus with our industry partners. So for example, we recently had a biosciences industry discussion panel, which we featured several of our alumni, and we had them talk about their various occupations. For example, we had an alumni who was in the cosmetics industry, and she wasn't expecting as a chemistry major that she was going to be in that industry. We also had another alumni who is in biomedical devices, as well as another student who is currently doing research in cytogenetics, specifically for cancer research. So many of our students are local, and in hiring our students, our industry partners are giving back to the very communities that they're serving. Often our interns do have successful placement in full-time positions with our industry partners. And that's because as faculty, we've been able to develop strong working relationships with our industry partners so that we're all on the same page as far as what we want our students to learn in the classroom and at the job.